So I've been waiting for this day to finally tell this to you guys, and I've been holding this secret quite a while. And some inside source told me that this is going to be a very game-changing operator, and they're excited to be able to release this. So this is a little inside scoop before anyone else in the world can show you. So here's the world first reveal of this operator. Now I'm going to go ahead and read some details about this operator. So this is the first time we're going to have a 2-speed operator. However, what's different is he's not going to have any armor. Now that's crazy, right? A 2-speed operator, no armor. However, I think this operator's ability outweighs having no armor at all. It's worth the trade-off in my opinion, because this ability affects the whole team, and this is a game changing, especially what's going on with the servers since the inception of the game launches. Now, a sneak peek at his weapon is the first time they're introducing this as a primary weapon in the game. It's a Maverick Rev 6 weapon right there. You can see it's a powerful pistol that does massive amount of damage. Now, I can't contain this anymore. I'm just going to blow off the lid. So I'm going to introduce you to Mike, and you can see him right here. So Mike Flores, born in San Diego, California in 1990, and he's the IT guy at the office at work. In his free time, he likes to eat Taco Bell and stand-up comedy on Netflix. Now, his unique ability, he Googled how to have a stable connection to the internet and realized that Ubisoft has to upgrade their dial-up servers. He has a friend named Ronald who works at an ISP company, and Mike's ability on request can allow him and his entire team to maintain a stable connection to Ubisoft servers. Now, his other primary is a Swigline stapler, and the Maverick was actually a Nerf Maverick. And his secondary, he can take someone pen at will, and his gadget is a Galaxy Note 7. So what's interesting about this Galaxy Note 7 is that we know that Samsung is notorious for the Galaxy Note 7 where it can explode. So this can probably cause a different operator phone to explode on command when he press a certain code or request it from his friend Ronald. So let me know what you guys think about this new secret operator that's coming out. If you're going to use it, how would you use him as a defender, and when would you use him as a defender? Anyways, I think he's a must pick. And happy Easter, everyone, and thank you for the 1 million subscriber support. And oh wait, what's today?